everyone, welcome to our channel, Small Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Malibago and we're going to show to you the hotel Savannah. And Leon will go inside and we're gonna show to you the hotels or the rooms there.
Thai ресторан and massage also. Savannah Resort and Hotel. Good afternoon. Savannah Hotel. Good afternoon. Can I see rooms in
Standard,
this
sir?
standard? Yes, please show. You can sit and wait me.
Let's go my place. Wait
Huh?
here. So my place.
So this is standard room.
Yeah, start. Yeah, try and close up the view, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, good view. You can see Yokohama, this case Laros, Jollibee, also Mercedes. This is only window, no, cannot open. It's good because not noisy here. Aircon. It's good. No smoking room. So this is price 5,000.
Yeah, I'm not ready.
Is this hotel have a swimming pool?
Yes, sir. The swimming pool and the gym, sir.
Okay, I will check. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finish? Good?
Yes, okay. 5,500 peso. It's a room, standard room. Expensive or not expensive? It depends on budget. Yes.
Thank you po.
Thank you.